In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply fix Google Chrome forbidden download. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, go over to your settings. Once you do that, scroll down and locate apps. Once you do that, search for Google Chrome. Once you do that, scroll down and then go over to the storage. Click on the clear cache option. And then what you want to do now is that you want to go back and then click on force stop right over here at the bottom right corner. Click on force stop, then click on OK, and then go over to your Play Store, search up Google Chrome, update the Chrome website or the Chrome app, then restart your phone, and that should solve your problem. So that's how you can easily fix Google Chrome forbidden download. If this worked and you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.